you look like this website. You can see this is a really good website, and I'm going to another website, and this is also good website. So you can see here the lots of product, lots of shoes, and any others accessories. Now if you want to create those type of website but you don't know any coding knowledge, and you have a zero coding knowledge, don't worry. If you watch this video, don't skip any second, because every second are very important. And in this video I am totally explore you how to create you this website in just 5 minutes with zero coding knowledge with, and it's totally built with AI. So let's start. At first I'm going to focus.com. Focus is a AI website builder. It's absolutely free. Just put your Gmail or email, then you are able to access this website. Now I put my Gmail, then wait a few seconds for processing. What type of website do you need right now? There is a lots of millions category. You can choose one. Example of I choose online store. So if you are like to others offer service, clothes, a blog, and any others portfolio, fruit and drinks. Yeah, you can see here lots of category. You can choose one. This doesn't matter. So I choose this one, sports show store. Now continue. Just click continue here. Now select a specific service you wish to offer your customer. Example of shoe repair, shoe cleaning, shoe install, shoe fitting. So I choose this one, shoe delivery, because I want to sell a product. You can choose any others, this doesn't matter. Which type of design do you need right now? I develop sell product, write a blog, get booking. So I choose number one. Just continue. If you have a physical address, just choose business address. If you have not an address, just choose this one. Now choose your branding or business name. Example of I choose SPORTSBDUSA. Just choose this name. You can choose any other's name that's available. Now choose three unique aspects of your website. Example of I choose affordable price, any others three. This is a friendly surface, so I choose in these three options. You can choose any others. This doesn't matter. If you have a phone number and any others contact website, any others contact option, just choose any one. So I choose number one from website contact from. It's I really like it. Wow, you can see my website are 80% ready. So wow, this is really good. So this website offer me three options, three style website. Number one, this one. Number two, this one. So oh, then number three. So I choose number one style because it's a really good and I really like it. So here is a four option. You can change a color pattern. So I want to it's default. I want to keep default. Then you can change any font here. Now here are lots of category and font. If you want to change everything, example of logo, home, about us, contact us, etc., etc. Here the everything are customizable. So I don't waste time. So if you are really interested to learn about it, please comment below. I will try in next video for customization this website. Now if you have a custom domain, just put your website here, just use custom domain. So I don't have a custom domain, I choose default website domain address. This website give me a free domain, so just click view website.